warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how's your day? I hope you guys are well. Let me introduce myself. My name is Liani Andarwati. I'm from the Jakarta APP Polytechnic student, majoring in Logistic Management in the Electronics Industry, semester 2, class D. I will share my observation experience in a supplier company that is engaged in packaging, namely Kreasi Kemas Indonesia Company. Last semester 1, in one of our courses, we were assigned to conduct an observation visit in a company, where I joined a group with some of my friends. Each group gets a team or a unit of competency for us to ask the company. Before that, we had to find a company that will accept observation visit. This really requires a struggle that can be considered quite time-consuming, because we have to contact customer service first, then usually we will be asked to call back to the relevant department, then we are asked to send the proposal first, and are asked to call back to email response when the proposal is accepted. There are also a number of companies we contacted who refuse observation visit for several reasons. After we get a company that wants to receive an observation visit, we make an appointment with the company about the right time to make an observation visit. At that time, the lecture went on as usual. After our lecture, we discussed about observation planning, such as what questions we want to ask, what documents we needed, which we agreed to document as example of documents used at the company. Then, what vehicles we will use to go to the location of the company. The next day, we went to the location of the company in the morning at 7 a.m. on a motorcycle. To avoid traffic jams, we departed quite early in the morning, and also because the journey we were going to take was quite far. After arriving at the company, we met with Mr. Ufang, who served as controlling, who would guide us in these observations. So, the company that we visit is one of the suppliers of several cardboard and carton factories that provide a variety of cardboards needs with various types of needs, such as plain cardboard, sheets with strong materials for various purposes, such as for product packaging that consumers sell, namely packaging food, packaging shoes, automotive component packaging, office file archive packaging, and others. And we introduce ourselves, and Mr. Ufang talk a little about how the observation process would work. After finish the conversation, we will go to the warehouse and production department. He explained the process from incoming goods to exits, explaining one by one the function of the machine used, then what documents were needed, to the type and quality of the good produced. He also allowed us to document the observation process and send the documents we request. For example, documents used at the company via email. After seeing the next production process, the next question and answer session about the questions that we have made. So our group competency unit uses a system to manage stock. One of the discussion in the competency unit is Kreasi Kemas Indonesia Company in controlling the stock of raw materials needed for the manufacture of packaging containing cardboard, still using a manual system, namely cardstock. The company has not yet agreed to the modernization process because the newly established company has a number of staff who, on average, do not have more education than high school. This company was just established before the workers here have been working long enough, even from before this company was just established. When he answered the questions we asked, we were allowed to record an explanation from him to make it easier for us to make a report. Finish our time in observation. Before going home, we take a picture first, then we say thank you for the time and opportunity given. After our observation, we went straight back to campus to attend lectures, a tiring and pleasant observation journey. From there, we gained new experience on how the packaging process took place, what documents we needed, and much more. That's it all my experience about observation in companies engaged in packaging. Sorry if there are words that are less pleasing. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day everyone.